Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, two coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting at least one tail? Now, two coins are tossed simultaneously. So the sample space will be HH, HT, TH, TT. That is N of S is 4. Suppose E be the event of getting at least one tail. So N of E, firstly, getting at least one tail means a coin will have one or two tails. HT, TH, TT. So N of A is 3. So probability of getting at least one tail is N of E upon N of S, means 3 by 4.